Hi friends, this video shows how to install YouTube app. Please don't forget to subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video. Take right controller, then press Meta button which has Meta logo on it. Press that Meta button. We get this main menu. On this main menu, tap on Store. Tap on Store icon. Tap here. So this is the App Store. And here on top you can see a search field. Tap on that search field. Tap here. Then again tap on that search field on top. Tap here. Here we have to type the name of the app which we need to search and install. So let me type YouTube here. Then tap on that enter button. Tap here. Now it's searching for YouTube app. This is a search result. Here you can see YouTube VR. Tap on this YouTube VR app icon. Here below you can see install button. If you are installing YouTube for the first time, you would see get button here instead of install. Tap on get or install button. Tap here. That way we can download and install this YouTube VR app. So now it's installing. Please wait. Okay, installation completed. Now we can see open button here. Tap on this open button. That way we can open this YouTube VR app. Or we can go to library. Tap on this library icon. Here you can see list of installed application. Tap on YouTube VR app icon. So this way also we can open YouTube VR app. See, this is a YouTube VR app. So from here we can play YouTube videos. Later if you want to close this app, you can take right controller, then press Meta button. Just press Meta button on the right controller. We get this window. Here we have to select quit. That way we can close this YouTube VR app. This way we can install, open and later close YouTube VR app. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.